Welcome to Lightning Labs. Today we are visualizing Bitonic Sort. This is a parallel sorting algorithm that builds Bitonic sequences, groups of numbers that go up, then down. We will recursively merge these sequences until the entire array is sorted. Blue brackets means sorting UP. Pink means sorting down. Let's begin. Building sequences of size 2. Notice the alternating UP and down directions. Building sequences of size 4. Notice the alternating UP and down directions. Building sequences of size 8. Notice the alternating UP and down directions. Building sequences of size 16. Notice the alternating UP and down directions. And that is Bitonic Sort. Notice how the array was constructed by merging smaller sorted sequences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lightning Labs.